How do you achieve the product with zero burr and zero clamping? Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Amy. Today we will explore how to create the excellent mold and product through careful design and manufacturing processes. From design to manufacturing to final product verification, every step is crucial. So, how do we ensure each mold is stand out in the market? Let's start from the initial stage of the project.
Hello, Dongjie. What works need to be done in the DFM report at the beginning of the project?
In the early stage of the project, we need to deeply analyze the injection gate, parting line, thickness, venting, cooling system, etc. to work out the best plan and discuss its feasibility and optimization space with mold designers and fitters. Mold designers in the design process must fully consider the actual conditions of manufacturing and production, choose the appropriate materials and processing technology to ensure the stability of the mold in production.
Through these steps, we can not only improve the performance of our molds and also maintain the competitiveness in the market and customers' trust. Thanks for your watching today's video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave your messages. See you next time.